Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I have a POSHMARK Packaging. I had forgotten I had this top. It took me a while to find it because I got 3 closets, and I got a closet just for POSHMARK stuff, and then in drawers and clothes everywhere. So somebody ordered this cutie here. This animal print top with satin trim. It has belts. A self-tie belt. It has these flutter sleeves. When I saw it, I said, "Oh, I forgot I had this." The person who ordered this had originally lowballed me. So I set my prices, and people can haggle on POSHMARK, but don't insult nobody. So I gave her a counter offer, and she accepted. So I'm showing y'all there's no stains, no rips, no tears. Of course, you can't smell it. It's no smells. It's clean, in perfect condition. Okay, so I'm going to fold it up, and this doesn't wrinkle. That's what I like about this particular one. And I like to film my transactions. And this is lined. See, it has a lining. Good quality. So I'm going to wrap it in some tissue paper. And for those of you all who don't know what POSHMARK is a free app that you can download. And you can get your own closet and begin to sell gently used and brand new stuff from your closet, from your house. You can sell other things, buy and sell things. And if you're interested in joining up and getting your own closet, please use my code, MzBrazell, all caps. And with your first sale, we'll both get a $10 credit added to our account that you can have put in your bank, or you can just let your credit build up on POSHMARK and shop right on POSHMARK. Okay, I'm using hot pink tissue paper. Like I said, this doesn't wrinkle, so I can fold it as small as possible. Y'all can't see. Okay, going to wrap this. Try to make it as neat as possible. Some tape. And I have a card. It says, "Thank you. I always thank people for their purchase." It says, "Thanks for shopping MzBrazell's Closet. I strive for 5 stars." So after you get the product from POSHMARK, you're supposed to rate it. And 5 stars is the highest rating. Some people don't rate at all, but that's what I strive for, 5 stars. Okay. Let me get that out the way. Let me see, which bag should I put it in? Bought some new bags. This will fit in here. I usually put everything in a plastic bag, but this is plastic. So if the weather gets to it, then it's not going to harm the merchandise. When I first started out, I was using Walmart plastic bags. And then somebody gave me some constructive criticism, said don't do that. So I stopped. So I've been investing in Dollar Tree bags to put the stuff in. And I buy these from Amazon, these mailers. Or you can just get the boxes from the post office. They have free boxes, but you have to ask because they all look alike. I also have this big mailer for something larger. This is big. We got this from Amazon too. Okay. And it has the thing you pull off, so you don't need any tape. See that? And Poshmark sends a pre-printed label, so all I have to do is print it out on my printer. Postage paid. So I buy these things from Amazon to put the label in. I used to use goo gobs of tape over the label, but this protects the label. So you pull that off. Nope. You pull this backing off. See that? And then pull this little piece off. It's ready to be taken to the post office. And always get a receipt. Okay, so this is the end of my Poshmark packaging. Oh, this beautiful animal print top. I love, oh, got on animal print now. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Now I'll leave the information about Poshmark and using my code in my description box. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.